ever trans woman City Councilor of Cebu City, Miss Diana Oponganons.
Di mo dito sa Cebu City, uy!
Hi guys, Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. If you're new, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'm here right now. Ay, gopa, oy, commercial.
Hi! Welcome to Opon Republik! Yeah!
More journey intro.
Enjoy!
Enjoy! Laban! Gwapo kay guys. Wala ako sa Opon Republic guys. Actually, super happy kay taga Lapu Lapu ko. So, daghan kaayo siya. So, I'm going to enjoy the food and then tagantang mag-feedback. So, doon radyo kayo siya sa Mactan Town Center and newly open siya guys. So, abangas!
Welcome to Opon Republic! Thank you, madam!
Nagwapo kayo! Grabe! What's your name, Ben?
I'm Sandy!
Wow, Sandy and...
Mom Rams.
Hello!
Hello! Welcome to the vlog!
Vlogger mo na siya.
Oh, siya.
Yes, mga guwapo kayo guys! Grabe!
Hello po!
Vlogger mo sa please! Hi, what's your name, Ben? Guwapo kayo. RC mo yun?
What can you say about your experience? Invite to the water
Sige, sige.
Everyone, please watch.
Hi, please watch Diwata sa Sugod. It's coming September 21st in the Bangon Sports Complex.
What's to?
She is the first ever trans woman City Councilor of Cebu City, Miss Diana Oponganons.
Di mo dito sa Cebu City, uy!
Hi!
Kalayos, uy! Kalagos!
Oh, Visayas ha! Visayas.
So guys, ito yung nasa plate ko. Ang dami. Yan. Good luck sa aking tummy, but then I'm super ready because, you know, veggies and mga nutritious foods. Thank you, Opon Republic.
Hello everyone, welcome to Opon Republic. And this is the newest place here in Mactan. We are open 7 days a week, starting at 10 o'clock in the morning until 10 o'clock in the evening. Please visit us. This is the newest restaurant here in Mactan. We serve Asian fusion cuisine. So excited to have you here at Opon Republic.
The food, if the food served is the same food that will be served when you order, it's top notch. Go for the shrimps. It's good, you gotta try it here. Don't go to the city, it's so traffic. Come here at Mactan Town Center. It's less traffic because it's more parking space because it's new. Go man.
Kami kayo mga food guys, as in. Guys, so thank you so much for watching guys. I hope you enjoy the food trip. So grabe na kay food and hope you're going to visit Opon Republic here at Mactan Town Center. So, thank you so much for watching. Saranghe, bye-bye.
Cha.